Magnitude 7.7 earthquake hits Papua New Guinea. Affected countries: Solomon Islands and Papua New Guinea, 17 miles from Kokopo. Papua New Guinea. Kokopo is the capital of East New Britain in Papua New Guinea. The capital was moved from Rabaul in 1994 when the volcanoes Taverva and Vulcan erupted. As a result, the population of the town increased more than sixfold from 3,150 in 1990 to 20,262 in 2000. Kokopo was known as Herbert's Heights, during the German New Guinea administration, which controlled the area between 1884 and formally until 1919. Until 1910 it was the capital of German New Guinea. On Sunday, the 29th of March, 2015, a strong earthquake, of a preliminary magnitude of at least 7.5, which if confirmed would be the largest earthquake in the world, up to that point for 2015, was recorded near Kokopo, and a tsunami warning was issued. This was surpassed a month later by the April 2015 Nepal earthquake, which measured a magnitude 7.8.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.